Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the best platforms to build a community-focused membership website in 2023. It's an important subject. There's some new players in town. I've got some things to say about it. Should be of great value to you if you're looking to build a community platform this year. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks, and I'm talking about building a community website in 2023. And what is a community website? Well, if you're looking to build a membership site and be part of the knowledge economy, which would be a great idea in 2023, one of the best ways to make your membership website successful is to build community on it. And that's through forums, similar feel and functionality to a Facebook group, but you control it, you supervise it, you can't have it closed down by Facebook. And a forum kind of feeling where people can leave messages, threads. You can get more engagement, more value, offer more value to your membership base. It's a great idea. It is more work, got to be honest here, but it's great value. So what are some of the key players in this particular niche? Well, to my mind, there's about 4 main players, but there's also 4 to 6 reasonably good other players in. I've written a full article. You'll find the link in the supporting description of this video, where I go into a load of detail about all the possible players that you should be looking at. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the main 2 to 3 players in it, and give my views on them. So let's start with the established, what I see as the 2 established players in this particular niche sector, and that would be Mighty Networks and BuddyBoss. Mighty Networks started off as a social platform almost 15 to 17 years ago. It failed to establish itself as a social platform under the pressure of Facebook and other social media players. They had to do a pivot, which they successfully did, to become a community-focused platform for those in the membership e-learning sector. Mighty Networks is a mature platform, and one of the things why people look at it is they want an app. In my opinion, a lot of people look at the need of an app much earlier in building their community, and because of that, they find how much it will cost to build a custom app. We're talking about a considerable amount of money here to build it for Apple OS and Android. So they look at Mighty Networks. Mighty Networks does have a reasonably priced offering if you're looking for an app, but it will have Mighty Networks branding all over it, which isn't great. They do offer another tier where you can white label the app, but that is at a considerable cost. Still cheaper than building your own, but at a considerable cost that is ongoing. The second one is BuddyBoss, which is built on WordPress technology. You buy the theme and the plugin solution. They do also offer an app solution, which is separate from the web-based solution. You can customize it. You can host it on your own hosting. You basically have ownership to a much higher level. It's been on the market for over 6 to 7 years. It's a mature product and we love it. And got to show my bias, we would strongly advise you to look at it because I feel that it really offers a great platform. It works with Lifter LMS or LearnDash, which are the 2 learning management systems that we recommend. And it just offers a lot of value, and it offers a lot of value if you buy the additional app product, which you can only buy from BuddyBoss, but it's still excellent value. A new player is Kajabi. Kajabi bought a startup company recently, a couple of months ago. They are integrating it into Kajabi. It's offered for free at the present moment. It is rather limited, in my opinion. Obviously, Kajabi could see that community and building community on a membership was very important, and it was a feature that was increasingly being asked by their own users. So they bought this startup. They are in the process of integrating it into Kajabi. I'm sure it will grow and be effective. Like every time I talk about Kajabi, it's a great solution, but a very expensive solution. And you don't get the customization and ownership as you get with BuddyBoss. So if that was interesting, I would suggest you go and read the full article on the WP-Tonic website. If you found this video really useful, and hopefully you did, please subscribe to the WP-Tonic channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. And also we've got a great Facebook group called Under the Membership Machine Show. It's the podcast that I do weekly about all things membership. You can join that, or also listen to the podcast. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments of the video and I will answer them as quickly as possible. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.